Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about pears, and I have a list of specific food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with pears. So if you're looking for some specific meal, menu, recipe, dessert ideas using pears, hopefully this will help you out. Combine pears with agave nectar, lemons, and strawberries. Pears with allspice, black pepper, maple syrup, and red wine. That's different. Pears with almonds and figs. Pears with arugula, balsamic vinegar, blue cheese, fennel, and olive oil. Pears with balsamic vinegar, cinnamon, and maple syrup. Pears with blue cheese and fennel. Pears with caramel and peanuts. Pears with cheese and nuts. The examples would be blue cheese, goat cheese, and Parmesan cheese, and also hazelnuts, pecans, or walnuts. Pears with cherries and ginger. Pears with cinnamon, cranberries, and oats. Pears with cranberries and hazelnuts. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye for now.